I'm playing Follow the Leader with Oscar. I'm not doing that, Oscar. I'm not doing that.
I know. You're not supposed to copy me.
Oh. Well, it's Follow the Leader, though.
It's not copy the leader.
Yeah, that's true. Just follow. Oscar's smart because he said it's not copy the leader, it's follow the leader. Off-roading.
Hey, Jesus.
This is kind of hard because, like, when I ride, I'm doing this all with one hand, Oscar. Because in the other hand, I have the camera. Or the iPod. Go, Oscar. Go, Oscar. Whoa. What the heck, Oscar?
It's Hunter's house.
Whose house?
Yeah.
Hunter?
Yeah.
Oh, is that your friend?
Yeah, sometimes this is so annoying.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Do you even like being his friend? Kind of.
Back on this, and you guys catch the bird.
Oh.
You know why? Because his mother, he's gone. Because Hunter put his hair on, he didn't want, and the cat didn't want to live with Hunter anymore.
Huh.
So sad. So like, you this giant.
Say bye, Oscar.
I'll see ya.